Alright. What are you going to say, guys? Hi, guys! Welcome to our vlog! We're here in Nasugbu, Batangas, and we're going to open Pokemon packs. Pokemon and Pokemon packs from Ascended Heroes. So let's open first that in... Okay. So, ate. Okay. Then, let's open this. Contains sticker. Stickers. Stickers. This one. Stickers. And then we have 2 packs of Pokemon cards. Okay, so let's go into them. Okay. This one. This one. And this yours. Okay, so open. Dito sa likod.
Hindi ko din muna. Mamaya na ako. Chichil yan ako.
Okay.
Hindi ko muna.
Okay, si ate, will you open? Okay, so it's Dragonite. Okay. Meowth. Shuppet. Darumaka. Spiritomb. Okay. Frostmoth. Ariana. Dratini. Fanrotom. Ayono. And energy card. Okay. Yan din yung obvious yun. Kilowatt Dream. Next, si Kayden daw. Kayden daw. Kayden. Kayden, I'll show you Kayden. Okay. You have Diglett. Nomel. Rotom. Sincha Spiritomb. Yeah, language. This one is from Thailand. Fox. Pokemon. Lunatone. Ay, wow! An IR! Snorunt! Special Snorunt IR! Wow, nice! And you have also a Peasant PPT DX. Nice! So nice! Okay, we have a hit. Okay? Si Kuya Moises. Okay, Kuya Moises, going to them. Okay, and energy.
Nakita mo dito sa camera ko.
Oh, wow, nice! Reggie! Ice EX. Show it to them.
Dito, pakita mo dito sa camera.
Okay, hindi.
Lokal.
Okay, look. Riolu. Miss Rebus. Darumaka. Andamanitan. Dito, pakita mo. Dog Trio. Okay. Meowth. Snorunt. And a Budu. Okay, that's it. So, si Kuya na. Last pa. Okay, Jerison. Dito lagay ng Kuya Jerison sa gitna. Ito na. Okay, go. Sige. Si Execute. Okay. Si Cascue. Okay. Hindi pa kilala. Sige, go. Okay. Terapagos yate niya ito. Sneasel. Cross something.
Yung mod din kanina, yung mod. Cross mod.
Uy, Gardevoir! Mega Gardevoir!
Gardevoir.
Nice. Trainer card, na balloon, and then Proton, and then that's it. Okay, so that's yours. Okay, Gardevoir and Astora. That's it. Thank you guys.
Okay, kaya mo din.
Bye bye.
Peace out.
Bye bye. Thank you.